pylons came down. This is the reason for the power outages in a lot of areas in Pretoria, Waterloo, Mamelodi, Pretoria East. Currently we don't know how long the power is going to be out for. They are busy clearing the sites, and we will probably most likely by tomorrow afternoon have a way forward on the power outages. We have 3 minor injuries. One person went to hospital, but yes, we don't have any fatalities because of this, and we have got teams working on the ground and in the substations to find the way forward.
This is Celia Brink, Mayor of Tshwane. I am at the site where several pylons collapsed last night, and as you can see, the high voltage cables are across the highway. The highway has been closed. There's serious damage here. The city is still busy assessing the extent of the damage. We know that many parts of Pretoria East as well as Mamelodi are off because of this damage. The problem, I am informed by councillors in the area, is that there's been several attempts over a period of time to steal the metal that forms part of the pylon construction, and there's the possibility that this is in fact what happened last night. So not just one attempt, several attempts and several repairs, and in fact when you look at the steel structure of the pylon you can actually see where the repair work has been done. So there is a very strong possibility that this is because of criminal vandalism. So the extent of the problem, as I mentioned, is enormous. We cannot make any promises at this stage, except for the fact that we will keep the public informed of this assessment as well as the repair work. The city is doing all in its power, including talking to Eskom to see what assistance can be given here. Until we have more, this is what information is at hand. We promise to keep the public updated.